Hello, welcome to Kevlar's Quest, the Modern Life podcast. I'm Kevin Ejezie. Today's quest is weighing pain and pleasure, the hedonic calculus. We live in this world whereby we need to navigate a kind of hedonic trap. Because if we don't navigate it, we see ourselves walking like a donkey and suffering so much than we even expect because we don't plan the type of pain that we choose. So today's topic has to do with the hedonic trap and the power of choosing worthwhile pain. That's why I titled it Weighing Pain and Pleasure, the Hedonic Calculus. We live in these complex biological organisms. That's our body. And our body is wired to seek pleasure. Even animals are also wired to seek pleasure. It's natural and we are drawn to what feels good. But that instinct can lead us to a crossroad in life where we find ourselves scanning the different paths ahead, asking ourselves, which one will give me the most pleasure with the least amount of pain? That's what I call the hedonic calculus. Now, that kind of thinking works up to a point, but here's the trap. We often start prioritizing the avoidance of pain over the pursuit of meaningful pleasure. Psychologically, it's a well-documented truth. People are far more motivated to avoid pain than to chase pleasure. And in our minds, pain and pleasure aren't equal weights. One kilogram or 1 pound of pain doesn't cancel out 1 pound or kilogram of pleasure. We are wired to be pain averse. We tend to avoid pain at every turn of event. So what happens? We start making decisions based on how to dodge discomfort by any means necessary. But here's the reality. Pain is inevitable. Change is painful. Staying the same is also painful. Commit to a relationship, start a family is painful. Stay single, protect your freedom is still painful. Go left is pain, go right is pain. No matter what you choose, pain will be part of the journey. So when I observe people and when I talk with people, I usually encourage them to embrace this truth instead of letting pain avoidance drive our decisions. We should shift the question. And the way we should shift it is by using a calculus, that's the hedonic calculus. We should ask ourselves this question: which pain is worth it? Because if pain is present in every option, it shouldn't dominate our decision making. It's the common denominator. What we need to examine is how each pain is different, or how each pain fosters our interest. Which path leads to growth? Which path aligns with our values, our vision, our goals? That's what we should be asking ourselves. Where does the pain actually serve a purpose? These are questions we should be asking ourselves. When we start thinking this way, when we accept pain as part of the process, our decisions become more aligned with long-term growth and fulfillment. You stop running from discomfort and start choosing the kind of pain that transforms you. Because if you look around you in any way, pain is inevitable. You can't dodge it. It's everywhere. So choose the pain that serves your interest for growth. Okay, that's our quest for today. Please subscribe, like, and share. Someone out there needs to hear this message. Maybe someone like you. Let's spread strength and clarity to those navigating this journey. We will talk more in future episodes. Thanks for listening and take care.